A leaked video shows how Samsung smart glasses are going to work. We get a quick look at the location of the hardware, as well as the taps and swipes that will be used to operate the glasses. Expected reveal, widely reported to be teased at Samsung's next Galaxy Unpacked event on July 22, 2026, in London, as the collaboration between Samsung, Google, and Qualcomm comes to fruition. These will be the first from the partners to compete with Meta's Ray-Ban glasses. A button on the top of the right-hand arm, along with the touch area, which appears to support both taps and swipes. The operation of this is expected to be much like it is on headphones. Powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon AR1 chipset. A 12MP camera using a Sony IMX681 sensor. It features a physical shutter button on top of the right arm and dual LED privacy indicators to let people know when you are recording. A lightweight frame weighing roughly 50 g, powered by a 155 mAh battery. Rumored to cost between $379 and $499. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.